Hello everyone, it is Chef Stas, and what a summer heat! It brings us ripened tomatoes, and it's a perfect time to make a cold refreshing gazpacho. And if by any chance you have peaches that are kind of over-ripened, too mushy to eat it fresh, you can always add it to gazpacho to bring the soup to a new super level. So follow me, I'll show you the recipe and let's start cooking. In the beginning, remove cores from the tomatoes and cut through the skin on the opposite side. Do the same with the peaches. Blanch fruits in boiling water for 30 seconds, then chill in cold water. Peel off the skin and cut in big pieces. Save small part of peaches for decoration. Peel cucumbers and cut into rings. Peel half of the red onion and thinly slice. Put ingredients into blender. Season with 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, freshly grounded black pepper, salt. Blend until soupy consistency. Pour in 90 ml of olive oil to create an emulsion. Taste gazpacho while it is still in the blender, and if needed, correct the taste. Let the soup chill in the fridge. For decoration, cut into chunks saved peaches, add cherry tomatoes, basil leaves, dress with 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt to taste, if you like spicy, add thinly sliced chili pepper. When gazpacho is cold, we can plate it. Decorate with our garnish. A spoon of thick Greek yogurt and olive oil. Ready! Wonderful, aromatic, refreshing summer gazpacho. Bon appetit! I get a bit sweaty while I was cooking the soup, but it gives me such a nice refreshment, and peaches really add this touch of sweetness, touch of the aroma, bringing the soup to a new level. It's really tasty gazpacho version. I recommend it to you 100%. And by the way, do you know that tomatoes came to us from America continent, and there is a legend that the first 100 years people were afraid to try it, and they were growing these beautiful vegetables in their flower garden just as a decoration. But thanks to one brave person who did it, we now can enjoy such a big variety of this beautiful vegetable and make a nice tasty gazpacho. So give me a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.